Welcome to Blackened Reads. Today, we will be talking about taxes. Remember, this video is not a legal representation of any tax practices, but a general characterization of the tax process in the United States. Every year, millions of people file taxes, but why do we do it? At its core, filing taxes is how a government funds the services that society relies on. Taxes pay for public schools, roads, emergency services, national defense, and social programs like Social Security and Medicare. When you file taxes, you're reporting how much income you earned and how much tax you already paid during the year. This allows the government to determine whether you paid the right amount, too much, or too little. If you paid more than required, you receive a refund. If you paid less, you owe the difference. Filing taxes also ensures fairness. Tax laws are designed so that people contribute based on their income level, with credits and deductions that reduce the burden for families, students, and lower-income earners. Beyond funding services, filing taxes creates accountability. It allows governments to track economic activity, plan budgets, and respond to national needs like disasters, infrastructure repair, or healthcare funding. Taxes also support shared systems we often take for granted: clean water, public transportation, courts, libraries, and consumer protections. In short, filing taxes isn't just a legal requirement. It's a system that keeps public services running and helps balance responsibility across society. Whether you receive a refund or pay what you owe, filing your taxes is how you participate in maintaining the systems that support everyday life. How and when to file your taxes. Filing your taxes doesn't have to be confusing. Once you understand when to file and how to file, the process becomes much more manageable. When do you file taxes? In the United States, the tax year runs from January 1st to December 31st. Most people file their tax return the following year, between January and mid-April. The standard deadline is April 15th, unless it falls on a weekend or holiday. If you need more time, you can request an extension, which moves the filing deadline to October, but it does not delay any taxes you owe. Who needs to file? You generally need to file taxes if you earned income above a certain amount, whether from a job, self-employment, freelance work, or investments. Even if you earned very little, filing may still be beneficial because you could qualify for refunds or tax credits. How do you file taxes? There are several ways to file. One option is online tax software. These programs guide you step by step, ask questions about your income, and automatically calculate what you owe or what you'll receive as a refund. Many people qualify for free filing options. Another option is filing with a professional tax preparer, such as a CPA or enrolled agent. This is common for people with complex finances, multiple income sources, or self-employment income. You can also file paper forms by mail, though this method takes longer to process and increases the risk of errors. What information do you need? Before filing, gather documents like W-2s from employers, 1099 forms for freelance or contract work, records of expenses, and any documents related to tax credits or deductions. Having everything ready makes filing faster and reduces mistakes. What happens after you file? Once submitted, the IRS reviews your return. If you're owed a refund, it's usually issued within a few weeks for electronic filings. If you owe taxes, payment is due by the filing deadline to avoid penalties. Why filing on time matters? Filing on time helps you avoid late fees, penalties, and interest. It also ensures you receive refunds and credits you're entitled to. Understanding how and when to file your taxes puts you in control and helps make tax season far less stressful. Thanks for joining us today. Click the link in the description to reach the irs.gov website for more information. Please like, share, and comment for more great content.